So in your own work, you've decided to open source projects that you have initiated on your team.
Yes.
What convinced you to open source these tools? What drove you to make these tools open source rather than keep them internal and proprietary?
Yeah, various reasons. Of course, we're excited to share our knowledge in whatever we are doing. Um, I have a long background as a scientist, where yeah, what we always did was, you know, we 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 would always share. Yeah, we would publish. We would share our work. I think it's like second nature to me. And of course, it's much more exciting to yeah, to make your work and your knowledge available to others. Just like it's very useful if we can use that knowledge.
Do you or your team contribute back to any community-driven open source projects?
We do, not as much. It's usually on an individual level. So we use packages. Maybe there are bugs. Yeah, we will submit merge requests if there's stuff not working. But when it comes to like the bigger packages, like in NumFOCUS, let's say you want to get something committed to pandas. Yeah, actually, one of my bosses did that a couple months ago, and he had like 100 comments that he had to go through. So that can actually be quite a bit of work. But in general, we do not so much, but yes, we do.
Max, I understand one of your team members is going to speak at PyData Global. Are you excited to see their talk? Can you tell us a little bit about what they'll be speaking about?
Yes, it's actually one of the people that I work with closely. She's called Lorraine Almeida. She's a data scientist working in London, actually. Our team is spread out over multiple places. And she will be talking about entity matching, advanced entity matching at scale.